government has rejected TMC claims that Netaji portrait unveiled by President Ramnath Kovind is based on actor who played Subhash Chandra Bose's role in a movie. The government released the original photo upon which the portrait was made and slammed the entire debate over originality of the photo as fake. The debate was also blamed on poor research by those who doubt the original source of the portrait. TMC MP Mahua Mitra ridicules the President Ramnath Kovind for unveiling what she called a portrait of an actor, Prosenjit, and not Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. She had claimed that it was the painting of Bengali actor Prosenjit Chatterjee who played the role of the freedom fighter in the movie Gumnami, and not Netaji himself. And taking to Twitter, TMC Mahua Moitra has also taken a dig at President Ramnath Kovind for donating 5 lakhs for construction of Ram Mandir. President Kovind unveiled this portrait on Saturday while marking the 125th birth anniversary of the freedom fighter Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Let me quickly cut across to Manogya joining us from Kolkata. Manogya, this picture that was unveiled by President Ramnath Kovind, the portrait of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, was not Subhash Chandra Bose's, but instead was of an actor, Prosenjit, who played the role of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Now, the government says that this is a fake rumor and it was the actual picture of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose that was unveiled in the event. But if you can give us some clarity, what really happened?
Well, Nabila, the government of India has come up with a clarification that this is not true. It is the painting of Paresh Maiti, one of the artists who's painted it, and of course taken from the original photo of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. As far as fake rumors are concerned, well, rumors are always fake. And this, of course, is a claim by from Trinamool Congress, Mahua Mitra, an MP from the party, who's clearly stated that what has happened after the donation that the President of India, Ramnath Kovind, did for the Ram Temple, this is what is happening in the Rashtrapati Bhavan, where even photographs of legacies and legendary leaders like Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose have been taken allegedly from a movie, Gumnami, where Prosenjit, also popularly known as Bumba, was the character who played the role of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. But this comes at a time when the battle in Bengal is escalating and is here to stay. As far as this battle is concerned, now these are allegations and counter-allegations from a TMC MP, the party which is in opposition in the centre but is in power in the state, and against BJP, which is in power in the centre whereas in opposition in the state. So you can understand the dynamics that have been working now. It's not only state versus centre or BJP versus TMC, but it is perhaps an allegation versus counter-allegations.
But here, Mahua Moitra, their TMC leader, comes out outrightly saying that this is the picture of actor Prosenjit, and it's evident in the portrait, and this is exactly what Ramnath Kovind has unveiled. Whereas the centre refutes these allegations. There was a lot of talk on social media as well, a lot of discussions on a false picture of Subhash Chandra Bose being unveiled by President Ramnath Kovind. So all this has been put to rest by the government, calling it false. Is there any clarification beyond that that the government has given?
Well, the government of India and the office of Rashtrapati Bhavan, if clarifies on what is the reality, you will have to go with it, because that is the clarification from the government, which also happens to be for one of the most important and democracies of the world. So you will have to give into that. But it is being a democracy, that is the beauty of the country, that you can raise questions on anyone in the country on who has been doing what. And it's precisely that is what is happening. As far as the raising of voices against what President has been done apparently by the TMC MP this time.
Much for joining us with those details. Now, some more news coming in from West Bengal. Lord Ram chant